This is the first vaccine authorized in Canada for the prevention of COVID-19 in children and marks a significant milestone in Canada's fight against the pandemic.
It's a world first. Health Canada approving the Pfizer vaccine for youth between 12 and 15.
Data from the clinical trial showed that the vaccine's efficacy after the second dose in preventing COVID-19 in this younger age group was 100%.
As many parts of Canada are reeling from a third wave of the pandemic, Pfizer is helping to open the vaccine floodgates to the majority of Canadians. Officials say that 20% of all COVID cases in Canada were in youth under 19 years old. The trial was conducted on 2,000 American youth, with half given placebos. Among those vaccinated, there were 0 cases of COVID and 18 cases among those who had received a placebo. Canada setting the bar as the first country in the world to approve the vaccine for the age bracket.
The most commonly reported side effects were temporary and mild, like a sore arm, chills, or fever.
The previous cutoff for the Pfizer vaccine was 16 years old. Other vaccines are only approved for Canadians 18 and over.
I don't want to say really naive things like there's no risk, go and do it, because that's just not true. But when you balance all the risks, I think people are going to, converge on the realization that the vaccine is the best route. There's no question in my mind. For my kids, that's what I'm going to do.
Just like adults, Canadian kids have been riding the same pandemic waves and lockdowns for well over a year now. Furness thinks the Pfizer vaccine will help reopen a world that kids require.
If we can get kids down to the age of 12 vaccinated, we can have summer camp. We can have summer sports. We can have all sorts of things that kids actually need.
The latest numbers show that nearly 35% of Canadians have received their first dose of the vaccine. In Ottawa, Nigel Newlove, City News.